Hi beautiful people, welcome to another recipe. Today we're making puff puff. You know those moments when you suddenly crave something you haven't made in a long time? That was me and puff puff. Honestly, I can't remember the last time I made it. I don't know if life got too serious or I just forgot how special puff puff was. But this week, I decided to bring it back and I'm so glad I did. Growing up, Puff Puff was like a celebrity at home. Anytime there was Puff Puff in the kitchen, you already know smiles will fly around like butterflies. We're going to queue up with plate or sometimes even snatch it hot straight from the oil, like no shame at all. But somewhere along the line, I grew up, life happened, responsibilities came, and my love for Puff Puff quietly packed its bags and travel. Until recently, one peaceful morning, I was in the kitchen thinking of what to make for breakfast, and out of nowhere, Puff Puff flashed in my mind like a long lost lover. I smiled, and just like that, I brought out 2 cups of flour. Now let me tell you, this puff puff was so soft, fluffy, golden, and sweet that I almost hugged the bowl. And the best part, it was just 2 cups of flour. The yeast worked its magic, the nutmeg added the nostalgic aroma, and the sugar, balance. Not too sweet, just perfect. The way it puffed in the oil, turning itself gently like it knew it had one job, to impress me again. And it did, guys. As I watched the batter rise, something deep occurred to me. Life is like puff puff. Sometimes we think we're done, forgotten, or too busy to enjoy the simple thing. But when you give yourself time to rest, to rise, to grow quietly, you come back stronger, softer, and sweeter. This batter was sitting there doing nothing for 45 minutes, but inside, it was preparing for greatness, just like many of us. Sometimes your real glow up happens in silence. Let me confess, at first, I didn't even trust the process. I looked at the sticky batter, like, is this going to puff or just embarrass me? But I kept going. One by one, I scooped into the oil, using gloved hands, lightly dipped in water, and the transformation was so satisfying. From an unsure lumpy batter to golden delicious joy. That morning, as the aroma of puff puff filled my kitchen, something changed in me. I felt peace, not just because of the food, but because I did something for myself. Something soft, something joyful. So now, puff puff is back in my life, not just as a snack, but as a little reminder that sometimes all we need is 2 cups of flour, a pinch of yeast, and a little patience. If this story made you smile, don't forget to like, share, and tell me in the comments what childhood food brings you comfort. God bless you. Bye.